In this video we're going to give you a quick introduction to the Nokia Lumia 720, do an unboxing, talk about some of the key features of the phone. Before we get there, I just want to point out something here on the box. For the first time we've got the Here Maps and the Here Drive branding. Also here the partner branding, Snapdragon Dolby, that's for the headphones, and obviously Carl Zeiss for the camera. But let's get into the device itself. Here you can see it's the Nokia Lumia 720, in this case it's the red version. We'll come back to that just in a little while, show you the rest of the box contents. We've got the SIM door key here, that's also used for accessing the micro SD card slot on this device. Then we've got the fairly standard Nokia leaflet with beginning information and also warranty information. In the bottom of the box here we've got the usual charging UK pin, in this case with a pop-up piece, and then a headset and a USB cable. All fairly standard there in the standard Nokia box. Let's go back to the device itself here. You can see here, switching it on, it's got a 4.3 inch screen, LCD. The viewing angles are really outstanding on this. You can see, tipping it right there, you can still see the screen, far more than you actually need, but it's nice to see this is a very high quality screen. People talk about the resolution a little bit. I don't think it matters too much in a device in this class. Okay, just touring around the device, on the side here we've got the slot for the micro SD card. On the top, similarly, you've got the micro SIM door as well as the 3.5mm audio jack, and the USB port is on the bottom. All of those in the places that I like to see them. You know, it's a good piece of design here. On the side you've got the standard volume keys, the lock and the power key, and of course the camera capture key. Just turning onto the back of the device for a moment, you can see here we've got, fairly standard. This is the camera, 6.7 megapixels, accompanied by the flash. It's Carl Zeiss optics, and the aperture on this is really impressive, 1.9, so it produces some really excellent images, certainly best in class for this kind of device. At the bottom here you can see there's three dots here. That's actually for an optional Qi wireless charging case, and there's also the branding and the loudspeaker. The secondary microphones there, the primary microphones on the bottom of the device. Let's just go back to the unlock it, go back to the home screen. You can see here fairly standard build out of apps, Nokia Maps, and there's music on here as well as Drive and some of the camera lenses and Creative Studio plus Angry Birds Roost. So there we go, there's a very quick introduction to the Nokia Lumia 720. Look out for our more in-depth video review coming in due course.